in Afghanistan, there was a C-17 pilot and co-pilot that landed a C-17 with the gear up.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was a major mistake.
I've known land gear up, and both times they were dealing with something else and just so focused on the other problem, they missed the gear not being down.
Yeah. Yeah, it's usually what happens is they're going through a checklist and then their gear will start squawking at them, so they mute the alert. Be like, oh, I'll get this on the next step, and then they completely forget.
Yeah.
Those guys ever like flight again?
I'm recording everyone's landings from the threshold.
The one with the chilies on base?
Oh, because I did a good one, so I hope that got on.
When I was there wasn't a Chili's, but Bagram is the major airport in Afghanistan. That is where everyone flies into and out of. It's an old Russian airfield.
We could take off. Were you in the Air Force? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, same, yeah, security forces.
Yeah, I think I talked to you on the other one, the community flight.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, we did.
Hope he doesn't record my 747 landing. It'd be brutal.
Are you incoming?
Yeah, are you incoming? Because we're watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're watching.
The cameras are rolling. I parked over on right off the runway, and then I droned over to the edge.
I got my joystick yesterday, so there's my excuse.
Close the tower. Man, this thing just really wants to roll on the taxi.
Oh, it was nice knowing you, Eleftherios.
Oh, here we go. I see you coming over. On the video, there's no landing gear.
Oh, there are, yeah. I have them down now.
Above the tower. Yep.
Do that go around now. Yeah.
Nice.
Did you record it, or is it like just on Popcorn's video?
It's just I'm just recording from what do you call it, NVidia.
It's recorded on VHS.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, floppy disk.
47 is pretty old.
For everyone's enjoyment.
I'll stick it on Discord.
He'll send it to you by mail.
I'll stick it up on the does Discord allow uploads, or do I have to link it to YouTube or something?
Yeah, like it's.